50 meaningful mixed Khasi name baby boy and baby girl, starting with alphabet N. Nang Sharai, keep guarding, watching. Nang Tei, keep building. Nang Tei Bha, keep building properly. Nang Tei Janai, keep building perfectly. Nang Tei Buram, upholding respect. Nang Tei Nam, continuing to build a reputation. Nang Lam Bha, keep leading well. Nang Lam Phang, continue leading. Nang Lam Linti, leading the way. Nang Batin Linti, to lead along a path. Nang Yai Job, keep winning. Nang Lut, knowing everything. Nujor Bha, make a good comparison. Nyokor, appreciation and value. Naslem, from the home origin. Nang Dab, becoming full. Nang Yar, keep spreading. Nang Jan, keep closer. Nang Skem, keep getting stronger. Nang Jur, growing stronger. Nang Kiu Mapi, you keep growing, rising. Nang Kiu Shadrang, continuing to rise, grow ahead. Nang Kiu Irat, continuous advancement. Na Me Banjob, you are to win. Na Me Ban Kiu, you are to rise. Na Me Ban Janai, you are to be perfect. Nang Krao Buram, keep growing with great honor. Nang San, keep growing. Nang Yo Bor, continuing to get power, strength. Nang San Bor, continuing to grow in strength. Nang San Bor Bha, continuing to grow in strength properly. Nang San Bor, one who fashions power. Nang Job, keep winning. Nang Job Lut, keep conquering. Nang Skem Pok, continuing to have good luck, fortune. Nang Skem Bor, continuing to have power, strength. Ne Bor, lasting power, strength. Ne Bor Lang, lasting collective power, strength. Nang Pranai, keep shining. Nang Shai, keep growing, brightening. Nang Job, keep winning. Nang Ban Buram, know to respect. Na Me Wan Jinkmen, the happiness came from you. Na Me Ban Job, the victory will come from you. Na Me Kermen, putting the hope in you. Na Me La Kermen, having hope in you. Baby girl name Nida Hun, with satisfaction. Nida Hun Shisha, with complete satisfaction. Nalari, from own land. Nalari Shisha, from our own truly native land. Nilla, pure, genuine. Nilla pakka, absolutely pure. Nang pho, blossoming continuously. Nang pho bha, increasingly beautiful, blossoming. Na ba phin janai, so that you will be perfect. Na ba phin suk, so that you will be happy. Nyo jinkar khu, count your blessing. Nang kunjo, to keep progressing. Na I shisha, truly from her. Nang bha shisha, knowing very well. Na phi ban kmen, joy is from you. Na phi sabha, good things happen because of you. Na phi sabed, you will sow. Na phi sabyang, you will be enough. Na phi ban roi lang, you will bring prosperity to all. Na phi ban kiu lang, you will raise everyone. Na phi ban kuntiu lang, you will bring prosperity to all. Nari nilla, from a pure land. Nasur thiang, by the sweetness of the voice. Nababha, because of the good. Nababit, because of fitting suitability. Naba lumlang, to collect, assemble together. Nabajanai, because of perfectness. Nabakmen, because of joyfulness. Nakahi, from her. Nara pakka, a beautiful and excellent dress. Nashabatingin, from the comfortable place. Na phika, from you. Na phihi, from only you. Nalari, from her own land. Nalarampai, from the origin. Nakala yo jinkmen, from her we got happiness. Nashwado, from the very beginning. Nado bawan mapi, since you came. Nashwabaro, from the beginning of all. Nakashisha, truly from her. Na jinkmen, from happiness. Na phila suk, from you there is peace. Na phi lakmen, from you there is happiness. Na phi shisha, truly from you. Na phi la sosim, a pungent smell is coming from you. Na phi la yotlud, from you we have received everything. Na phi bakmen, you are happiness. Na phi jinkmen, joy comes from you. Na phi la roy, it has grown because of you. Na phi la kiu, you have made it rise, grow. Na phi la job, we have won because of you. Na phi la wan jinkmen, happiness has come from you. Na phi la wan jingsuk, peace has come from you. Na mesha, from you.